Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play UFC 4 with friends, understanding its current multiplayer capabilities. It's important to know that UFC 4 does not offer true cross-platform play between different console brands. This means PlayStation players cannot compete online with Xbox players. However, you can still connect with friends if you are both on a PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5, or both on an Xbox One and Xbox Series X or S. This allows for a broad range of online matches within your console family. To play online with friends, first ensure everyone is using a console from the same family, such as all PlayStation users or all Xbox users. From the main menu, head into the online section. Here, you can choose modes like Online World Championships for ranked play or Quick Fight for casual matches. To play directly with a friend, use your console's built-in friend system to send a game invite to a private lobby. This ensures you connect with specific individuals for a one-on-one bout. If you prefer playing with a friend in the same room, UFC 4 offers robust local multiplayer. Simply connect two controllers to your console. From the main menu, select the Fight Now option. This mode allows you to pick your desired weight class, choose from a roster of over 230 fighters, and select your favorite venue. It's a fantastic way to experience the game's intense combat side by side, offering immediate, direct competition without any online setup. While UFC 4 provides excellent gameplay, its lack of cross-platform play between different console brands remains a key limitation. Your game progress and fighter unlocks are also specific to your console, meaning no cross-progression. Many players hope that future installments in the UFC franchise will embrace full cross-platform connectivity, allowing everyone to play together regardless of their chosen system. Keep an eye on official announcements for any updates regarding these highly anticipated features in upcoming titles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.